Then we put some bags on the slot, inside of the slot. We go to the menu page, operation, click, and click welcome. Now the machine going to run. We click the inch by menu. Keep inch. It will pick one bag to this position. Okay, stop. Now we stop here. We stop here and found this clamps failed to close the edge of the bag. We need to change the distance of the clamps. We turn this knob.
顺时针变小。
We turn this knob. 你转我拍。Now after turning the wheels, the distance change. Around now too much.
它夹的位置就是这个推口，这个部分一边都可以。大概夹1厘米，1厘米左右各夹1厘米。
Around 1 cm, can you see? Both sides around 1 cm. Now it's okay.